Good morning everyone. Early one today, no van, no dogs. I'm on foot, scouting out a couple of locations for a couple of videos this weekend. So if you do want to stick around guys, hit the subscribe button, like and comment down below, and there'll be a couple of videos over the weekend. So enjoy. So just on my way to my location where I hopefully get the drone up really early today. No coffee sadly, hence why I'm looking a bit tired, but perfect conditions to fly the drone. So enjoy the video guys. So here we go, back where it all started. If you see the link above to one of my first videos of the Avata 2, fresh out the box using the motion controller. Oh, how we've come a long way since then. It's really nice using the FPV controller 3 and finally in full manual mode. Today I'm at Fort Gilkicker, which is currently being redeveloped into new properties. Here's a little picture of what it looked like before. Fort Gilkicker is currently a building site, so I'm not going to push my luck and get too close. It's pretty cool to see the transformation so far. I'm getting used to flying in full manual mode. All of today's footage is in manual. I think in up and coming videos, I'm going to learn some of the new tricks. So comment down below an FPV trick or freestyle move you would like to see in an up and coming video. As always guys, thanks for watching and just enjoy the beautiful views, and I'll see you in the next video.